How to change the default Gmail account in Chrome. So to start, the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser and then search for Gmail. After that, we'll have to tap on this email. And as you can see, I'm automatically logged into my default account. So what I need to do here is to tap on this profile picture here. So in here, if you want to change the default Gmail account, the first thing that we need to do is to sign out of all our accounts. So what I need to do is to tap on this option. And then after that, as you can see, I'm automatically logged out from all my accounts. So here, for you to change the default Gmail account, what you need to do is to log in first the account that you want to set as the default Gmail account. So as for me, I'm gonna select on this one. After that, I'll just have to type my password and then tap on next. And as you can see here, I'm now logged in on this account. And then after that, what I need to do is to log in my other account. To do that, we'll have to tap again on this profile picture. And then in here, we'll have to tap on this add account option. In here, I'll just have to type my other email account. After that, tap on next and then I'll have to input my password. Once I'm done, I'll just have to tap again on the next option. And as you can see here, I'm now logged in to my second account. So in here, if I tap on this profile picture, as you can see at the bottom part, it says here that I have my default account. So that's how easy we can change the default Gmail account in Chrome. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.